Right behind us is a P-Pump 4BT Cummins we picked up for her project Isuzu Trooper we're going to be building on my channel, and she's going to fire it up for you guys. This engine has about 98,000 miles. It has the Bosch P7100 pump, a high torque starter, upgraded HX30 turbo, and an upgraded exhaust manifold. We just got it on the stand and got the intercooler and radiator completely hooked up and ready to go. Stay tuned for more videos about this 4BT Cummins that's going into our Isuzu Trooper 2.